Welcome to the best $1,000 gaming PC build of the month for October 2022. My name is Corey with NewbComputerBuild.com. We post these builds every single month to give you the best performing gaming PC builds at various different budgets, and they're put together with the best performing hardware for the budget at hand. This month, there's been a lot of a buzz in the hardware community. There's been some releases in the CPU side of things and the GPU side of things and so on. Not releases on the GPU, but announcements at least. Jumping over, Ryzen 7000 series CPUs have been released. It doesn't concern the $1,000 builds too much, but we have, for example, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. If you do want to learn more, you can check out the previous post this month on the $1,500 gaming PC build of the month, where I dive a little bit deeper into it. But the gist is that the performance is great, actually, but it will cost you a little bit more. What I mean by that is the newest gen hardware, for example, with Ryzen will push you to do things like PCI 5.0 and DDR5 memory, which is great. However, it might cost you a little bit more overall because you have to accommodate for those increases with more expensive newer hardware, such as the motherboard and newer memory, etc., which will rise the cost of your build a little bit. But if you do want the most modern gen hardware, that might be the way to go. So here we have the Ryzen 5 7600X available on Amazon here for $384.99. A little bit more than what you may want to spend in the $1,000 build here, which we include the Intel Core i5 Core 12400F for much cheaper. So overall, it will cost you more. However, if you do want to go with the next gen hardware, Intel is going to be releasing their Raptor Lake, or announcing at least their Raptor Lake at the end of October here. I think October 20th they are going to, it arrives, the 13th gen Raptor Lake CPUs from Intel, and then as well side by side with the new AMD Ryzen CPUs. It's pretty exciting, but it'll cost you a little bit more. But there's a shift in the market right now to the next gen hardware. So if you have two options. If you're building a gaming PC build right now and you want the highest performing PC for your given budget, now's the time, because the costs have gone down in all the highest performing hardware with the anticipation for these new releases. But you are going to have to wait a few months to actually get your hands on probably, if not the hardware itself, but in an affordable fashion, mind you. But it's pretty exciting. If you can wait, you can wait. Or if you don't want to, you can take advantage of the sales right now. All right. With that out of the way, let's get started with the best $1,000 gaming PC build of the month for October 2022. This build is for those who want to max games at 2K resolutions and play high FPS at 1080p resolutions. Overall, that's what this gaming PC build is for. Let's get started. Okay, the CPU for the best $1,000 gaming PC build of the month for October 2022 is the Intel Core i5 12400F. This is the non-integrated graphics version of the Intel Core 12400 series. You can go with the Intel Core 12400 non-F, which has integrated graphics, should you want that. It'll cost you a little bit more. However, given that we're using the gaming PC build with a graphics card, not needed. So we're going to save the cost there. I just thought I'd mention that. So we have the Intel Core i5 12400F at $174.99 at the moment on Amazon. This comes with the included cooler, the Intel Laminar RM1 cooler, which is included. You can also upgrade that should you need to. Motherboard included is the Gigabyte B660M DS3H at $109.99. The power driver for this one is the MSI RTX 3060 Ti for $449.99. Memory included is the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB kit, 3600 megahertz kit, $54.99. The SSD, we did bump it down a little bit this month. Last month we had the Crucial P2 1 terabyte. This month we're including the Crucial P2 500 gigabyte NVMe SSD to accommodate for some price fluctuations there for $39.99. So the 500 gigabyte Crucial P2. Power supply, and this is one of the things that have gone up in price over the last month in compared to the previous 2 months. Our power supplies in general, there's been a shift. I don't know if it's due to supply or whatnot, but included is a high quality PSU, but it costs a little more than it did a couple months ago. We have the Be Quiet Pure Power 650 watt power supply, $99.99. And then the case here we have is the PC case we have is the NZXT H510. And it comes in white or black, but I'm featuring the white one here for $84.99. And the estimated cost here in October of 2022 is $1,015 at the moment, just over $1,000. All right, that does it for the $1,000 gaming PC build of the month for October 2022. If you want some upgrade suggestions or want to leave a comment or have questions as you're building your PC, visit newbcomputerbuild.com, where we're more than willing to help you out. You can leave a comment. Leave a comment below as well, should you want to. And but other than that, best of luck building your gaming PC build, or gaming, or, you know, waiting until you're going to build your PC in the next few months, should you be waiting for the newest and latest hardware. All right. Thank you very much.